You're eating clean, you're adding probiotic foods, maybe even fasting. Yet somehow, your gut still isn't healing. Why does this happen? You're doing everything right, or so it seems, but something beneath the surface keeps your body inflamed. Here are 11 hidden reasons your gut might still be struggling, and what you can do about it. Number 1. Antibiotics. Antibiotics can save lives, but they also wipe out your microbiome, the good and the bad. When your good bacteria vanish, your gut's defense system collapses, paving the way for dysbiosis, fungal overgrowth, and inflammation that lingers for months. Even one short course can shift your microbial balance dramatically. That's why rebuilding your gut flora afterward is so critical. Number 2. Gut infections. Bacterial, viral, or parasitic infections don't always cause obvious symptoms. Sometimes they quietly inflame intestinal cells, creating microscopic leaks that let toxins enter your bloodstream. What's often called leaky gut. If you feel bloated, tired, or foggy after eating, an undetected infection could be one reason. Number 3. Nutrient deficiencies. Your gut lining needs building blocks to repair itself. Without nutrients like zinc, vitamin D, magnesium, and iron, your body can't produce enzymes, regulate inflammation, or rebuild tissue properly. Even if you eat well, poor absorption from an inflamed gut can make these deficiencies worse, a frustrating cycle many people overlook. Number 4. Alcohol. Even moderate drinking can thin the protective mucus layer that coats your intestines. Alcohol kills beneficial bacteria and increases permeability, allowing harmful molecules to pass through. If your gut is already inflamed, alcohol acts like fuel on a fire, slowing your recovery and triggering flare-ups you might not connect to that evening glass of wine. Number 5. Food sensitivities. Sometimes the foods we think are healthy, like eggs, nuts, or even certain fruits, can quietly trigger the immune system. Repeated exposure to reactive foods keeps your gut in a state of low-grade inflammation. Over time, this weakens tight junctions, causing further permeability and discomfort. An elimination diet or food sensitivity test can help uncover the hidden culprits. Number 6. Medications. NSAIDs, acid blockers, and common painkillers can erode the gut lining and disrupt microbiome balance, even when used as prescribed. When these drugs become part of daily life, your gut never gets the chance to rebuild its natural defenses. True healing begins when you look for and address the root cause of your symptoms, instead of suppressing them with medication. Number 7. Chronic exposure to mold. Mold is sneaky. You might not see it, but its toxins, called mycotoxins, circulate through the air in your bloodstream. Over time, they pierce the gut lining and weaken immune resilience. If you've lived or worked in a damp, musty space and struggle with chronic gut or sinus issues, mold could be playing a hidden role. Number 8. Sleep deprivation. Your microbiome operates on a circadian rhythm, just like you do. Even 1 week of poor sleep can shift the balance of bacteria, reducing beneficial species and increasing inflammatory ones. Quality sleep isn't just rest on its gut therapy. Every night, your body uses that time to repair the intestinal lining and regulate immune function. Number 9. Heavy metals. Metals like mercury, lead, and aluminum can accumulate in your tissues, creating oxidative stress that kills beneficial microbes and damages the gut wall. They enter through water, certain foods, old dental fillings, or environmental pollution. Detoxifying safely and supporting liver and gut function are crucial steps toward recovery. Number 10. Chronic stress. Stress might be the most underestimated gut destroyer of all. Cortisol, your main stress hormone, slows digestion, weakens blood flow to the intestines, and breaks down your gut lining. You can eat perfectly, but if you're constantly stressed, your body will stay inflamed. Breathing practices, movement, and mindfulness are more than self-care. They're medicine for your gut. Number 11. A diet high in carbohydrates. For some people, especially those with inflammation, autoimmune issues, or insulin resistance, high-carb diets can feed bacterial overgrowth and increase gut permeability. Reducing refined carbs and sugars while focusing on protein, healthy fats, and fiber can dramatically shift the gut environment toward healing. Your gut wants to heal. It's built to regenerate, but only when the obstacles are removed. Start by identifying which of these hidden stressors apply to you. Even small changes like improving sleep, managing stress, or removing trigger foods can begin to restore balance. When your gut heals, inflammation fades, energy rises, and clarity returns. Because when your gut is strong, everything changes. If you're ready to learn how to heal your gut fast, step by step, naturally, click on this video right here.